a chair where you used to sit, empty now. Just shadows in it, the clock ticks loud. The silence grows, I'm lost in all the things I chose. I hear your voice, it's a ghost in the air. I reach out, but there's nothing there. Empty spaces, they echo your name. Every corner, it whispers the same. I'm holding on to what's not there. Empty spaces, they're everywhere. Your sweater still hangs on the door. It doesn't smell like you anymore. The coffee's cold, the bed's too wide. I'm drowning on this lonesome tide. The stars don't shine, the moon won't glow. The world feels smaller since you